So I think it really is an unbelievable opportunity for the markets right now, and South Star is very well positioned to take advantage of some of the macro trends that are there. Santa Cruz is basically going to be starting cash flow at the end of this year. Will be first quartile of OPEX, extremely low CapEx, robust economics wrapped around that. It's a really scalable project. Again, we'll be going out and drilling to prove up additional resource and reserves. We've got phase 2 partially financed with Sprott, so about 65% of what we need for phase 2 is already lined up. We've got a diversified portfolio of projects both in the US as well as in Brazil. So when you look at the Americas and the proximity to Europe, we've got a fantastic portfolio of strategic projects that can supply graphite in the short term to these markets. We're able to take advantage of great infrastructure, great logistics, and really Brazil is one of the best jurisdictions anywhere in the world for battery metals and certainly graphite. We're able to hire unbelievably experienced folks that have been producing graphite and selling graphite for a long time. And in terms of the timing, again, it couldn't be better. I think this is the first year where there's really a deficit of graphite. We've got exponential growth coming. You look at the US, again, the funding potential associated with the IRA as well as the DoD, the DPA funding is unparalleled today. And I think that's, drawing a lot of interest to the battery metal space, but certainly to graphite. And again, we'll be one of the first movers out there so we can take advantage of that funding alternative. And when you look at the United States and certainly North America, Bamastar is today one of 3 projects in the US with a defined resource estimate. So again, we're on private mining claims, we're on private property, we're nowhere near navigable waterways. We think we can get this permitted 100% at the state level. So again, the approach is the same as in Santa Cruz. We'll start off with, phases, modular approach, scale up as required by clients. And we think this is a really smart way to allocate capital, and it's really allows us to get in production quickly. And anyway, we've got a management team that are proven mine builders, mine operators. We've financed several projects. We have a lot of skin in the game. So I think we align well with shareholders. In terms of the opportunities in the market, I think graphite is unloved, but that's quickly, I think, going to change this year as we're actually in the first year where there's a deficit of material. So again, whether it's going to do 10 times similar to what lithium did or a couple times, I feel comfortable saying all we know is that for sure the price is going to go up compared to where it is today. And South Star will be one of the first people and companies that can provide material starting at the end of next year.